Hi, I'm Kathy Ziola. If you've ever wished you could harness the power of nonviolent communication in every interaction, you're not alone. Our lives are filled with moments where miscommunication can lead to frustration and conflict, and where blame and judgment can overshadow compassion and understanding. If you're longing for a way to deepen your NVC skills, boost your energy, and truly integrate this transformative approach to your daily life, then I invite you to join us for an intimate and enriching experience in Salt Lake City, March 28th through 30th. In this Level 2 training, you'll join a small, dedicated group of learners ready to expand their understanding and practice of NVC. You'll receive personalized attention, practice essential skills, and most importantly, you'll connect with others who share your passion for compassionate communication. Together, we'll explore how to handle difficult messages with grace, make clear requests and say no with compassion. You'll deepen your self-understanding and strengthen your abilities for empathy and effective dialogue. Whether you're looking to refresh your NVC skills or deepen your practice, this training offers you the opportunity to connect more deeply with yourself and others. Now, if attending in person isn't an option for you, don't worry. You can still join this transformational journey by engaging in our 8-week online course starting April 3rd. This is a flexible and accessible way to deepen your NVC practice from the comfort of your own home. Please join us in empowering your ability to connect, communicate, and create compassionate relationships. Are you ready to enhance your journey with nonviolent communication? I'd love for you to be part of this transformative experience, whether that's in person or online. Please register today to secure your spot in the training that best suits your needs, and I look forward to seeing you there.